wax-free toilet seals using foam or rubber gaskets, double-thick wax rings for uneven floors, and hybrid seals with reinforced plastic. Each offer practical alternatives to traditional wax rings. For a foam or rubber gasket, choose a product specifically sized to the toilet flange and bowl outlet, as these materials compress to form a watertight and airtight seal without the mess of wax. Install by placing the gasket over the flange, aligning the bolt holes, and lowering the toilet slowly while wiggling slightly to seat the gasket evenly. The gasket should compress uniformly and not fold or bunch. For double-thick wax rings, reserve them for situations where the flange sits below the finished floor level by more than 1/4 of an inch, because the thicker wax provides more material to fill gaps while still conforming to the toilet horn. Warm the ring briefly by holding it in your hands or a warm room to make it more pliable before installation. Hybrid seals pair a rigid or semi-rigid plastic ring with a softer sealing element so that the plastic maintains alignment while the softer material compensates for small irregularities. When installing hybrids, check that the plastic flange seats fully on the existing flange to avoid rocking. Always torque bolts evenly and alternate sides in small increments until snug, so you do not crack the porcelain and so the seal compresses evenly. After installation, flush several times and inspect for leaks around the base and under the bowl. And if any seepage appears, tighten bolts a 1/4 turn at a time rather than dramatically increasing torque. The most common mistakes are using the wrong size or type of seal, over-tightening the closet bolts, and failing to address a damaged or misaligned flange. If the size is wrong, the seal will not compress correctly. So verify the toilet outlet diameter and flange height before purchase, and use a foam gasket for minor height differences or a double-thick wax ring for larger gaps. Over-tightening causes cracked porcelain or a pinched seal, so tighten bolts gradually and use a torque pattern that alternates sides while stopping as soon as the bowl is stable. Use large, flat washers under the bolt heads to distribute pressure if needed. If the flange is cracked, corroded, or not level, replace or repair the flange with a repair ring or flange extender before sealing to ensure proper alignment and avoid persistent leaks. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project guidance related to toilet seal choices, so we can help you compare foam gaskets, wax thickness options, and hybrids. We also host a discussion community where we share installation experiences, product recommendations, and find work leads for contractors.